Starsky and Hutch are 21st century environmental explorers. They're in France, heading towards Lyon. We had snow on the mountains this morning, rain this afternoon, and now we've got blue skies. But their human attitude never changes. Now look, beautiful farmland over there and everything else, but just look at all the rubbish along here. Okay, this road is used by quite a lot of different people. I'm not saying it's all French, but you know, just have all rubbish down here, and again, all here. Well, there's plastic rubbish been dumped here, bottles and everything else, and here, down here, it's all down there too, as you can see. Plenty of rubbish. But anyhow, let's get back up on the main road, and you'll see along here. What's that? There's plastic there. Another bottle of urine probably there. There's plastic there. Here, cans, plastic, and so on. Cans, rubbish there, there. As you come further along, it's all rubbish here. Cans and plastic and more plastic. There, here. Again, more rubbish. Stay there, so look, it's all been dumped down the side here. Amazing amount of rubbish down there. All thrown over here too. Or just thrown down there. It's here. There's another bottle of urine. Now this is so far nearly 2 minutes of rubbish in France. It's all in there. It's all in the bush. Come on, Starsky. So here. Blue bag up in the trees there. All there's lots been dumped here. And down here. It's all down here too. All the rubbish down there. All down that way. Okay. It's all rubbish here. I don't know what this is. More rubbish here. Oh, yeah, that's a speed camera. So they catch them speeding, but can't catch them dumping all the rubbish. Right? Look at it all down here, there. That's just one side. You gotta see it. Beautiful blue sky. I've had a bit of snow. And on here, it's just as bad. Go on, Sass. It's on the other side of the road. It's all in the bushes here, look. All rubbish in there. Yeah, no one sees this, it's just me for some reason. I seem to be able to spot it, you know. It's all here. Hundreds of people drive past here. No, not hundreds, thousands of people drive past here and say nothing. Plastic there. Again in the field, it's plastic there, plastic over there, plastic there. And we're on our way to Lyon, which is the second largest city in France, so I'm not expecting it to be a miracle and clean. But I'm expecting a lot more videos on the way down. There's sun shining now. Right, sun's coming out now, and we're on to the 5-minute video. It's ridiculous, eh? All this rubbish here. Look at it all. Here. Bottles and cans and everything else. And I'm not going to clean it up. No. It's not. It's here for you lot to see, who live in this area. You come and clean it. Look at the state of it. Unbelievable, eh? In 2018, we still can't deal with our rubbish. Look at its state. Cans and everything everywhere. Sun shining on it now, so you can see it all. so stupid, it's right next to a field that we grow our food in. Unreal. Right?